Wagwan guys, what's good guys, what's good? So I saw an interesting market situation on the V100 index. So here to this video, I would want us to have a market breakdown on this index. I saw a very nice trade opportunity. So do it to stay to the end of this video to get every detail on this analysis and market breakdown. I can remember days ago, I did a market analysis on volatility 100 index and I was calling on the sales. Basically I was expecting the sales on this index. I told you guys that this index got a level to test. There's a level at this point. There's a bullish order block at this zone which this index is yet to test, which I am expecting this index to get to in the coming days and weeks, would say. So looking at the market structure, it's clear that this index is yet to test our zone, our expected buy zone. We got this little attempt, but price failed to test it. And the market structure basically is very much bearish because we got price create series of highs and lows, right? Series of highs and lows, and these series of highs and lows are lower than each other. So the market has been creating lower highs and lower lows formation for some time now on the daily time frame. So spotting the levels, the highs and lows, we got a low at that point, we got another low here, a lower low, and that low at this point, a lower low. So after this last lower low, the market has failed to create a new low, but it's got to this previous low at this point and gave this little move to the upside. And seeing the structure here, we also got the lower highs formation at this point, completing this downtrend structure, this downtrend market formation, right? So we got a high at that point, and that high here would say, sorry, before that, I think we got a high at this point. We got a high here, then we got another high at this zone, a lower high. So we got price create series of lower highs and lower lows formation on this daily time frame structure. So the market is clearly bearish on the daily time frame. The market is on a downtrend, and you guys know that whenever the market is on a downtrend, you should focus on the sell side of the market. You should look out for more of sell opportunities, right? And there's also a tendency that price could get to this order block level and fail to buy from it. You could see price break past this level or move past this level, like price taking out this zone, right, selling further to this level of support. We got a level of support here, got a level of support at this point because we got price buy from as a support, which happened weeks and months ago. Got the first reaction here on 27th of September 2023. Price came back to it again on 16th of October 2023. All right, so this move happened months ago. So there's a possibility and a tendency that price could move past this bullish order block to sell more to this point. So I'm actually bearish on this index. I'm looking out for sell opportunities. I'm looking out for sell opportunities on this current price level. So how do we take advantage of this wonderful trade opportunity, this wonderful structure we are seeing on the daily time frame? We can actually get an entry on this daily time frame. We have to analyze down to a lower time frame for our entry points, right? So we have a zone. After spotting the market direction, the next thing is to spot our levels and zones. So we have one of those interesting levels here, which was a level of support. We got price buy from as a support. It's checking what happened previously, previous market reaction on this level. We got the market, we got price, react on this level as a support here, support at this zone, support here. So this level of support got broken and market was actually consolidating here. Market was consolidating at this point, creating equal highs and equal lows. So there was a break of this, there was a break below this level of support, because you can see that whenever price gets to this level, it buys from it, it sells from here, it buys from this level of support, it buys from here, it buys from here. Even previously, market has been buying on the test of this support level, and the market was actually consolidating here, creating equal highs and equal lows. A consolidation market is a market that we got series of equal highs and equal lows. So we got this index consolidates at this point. It was ranging here. So this consolidation got broken. Consolidation support level got broken, which price moved down a little bit before coming to test this zone. So we just got a retest on this level yesterday, because whenever a level of support is broken, it turns to a resistance. So we got price break below this level, turning this level to a resistance level, and we can see the test of this zone, which we got the last daily candle reject on the approach of this level. You can see the candlestick weak, showing how strong this level is. and the possibilities of the market pushing these of this level, pushing the market to the downside. So the market structure is looking clear on the daily time frame. Market is reacting to a strong level of resistance, and we're getting the sells from it. So how do we ride alongside with these sells? How do we move with these sells? We have to go to the next time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we're getting the rejections on this zone. First got this bullish engulfing candle that tried giving a fake out of this zone, that tried breaking above this level, like a fake breakout of a level of resistance, which the bears came into the market to push the market to the downside, this bearish engulfing candle. So after that, another candle flowed up, which is a bearish candle, another candle, a bearish candle. So we got this formation. Price has been consolidating for the past hours now in this range. Price has been at this range here, edging towards a breakout, and the breakout is expected to be to the downside for price to get to this order block level at least. Then if price can get to that zone, we could see price move past that level, break past that level to come test this level of resistance, sorry, this level of support we identified on the weekly time frame. So everything is looking clear. The market is bearish basically. We have to just look out for a good sell point, a good sell structure to ride alongside with these sells. So the 1 hour time frame is looking good as well, but I was about taking an entry here before I decided to make a video on this index. And when we look closely, we can see that we got a formation here, a bearish order block formation here, which price may move up a little bit to go test before we can get the sell. Before we get the sells, I'm expecting a move of this kind, a test of that zone for the sells, right? That's what I'm expecting basically on V100 index. I was about taking the sells here, like a low probability setup with little risk on this index. This index is a very volatile index. Even the lowest lot size is very much volatile, and having a reasonable risk on the lowest lot size, you should be risking about $6 to $7 on a single position, which is very much large. So having an entry here, I have to be sure and convinced on my analysis. So the point where I'm expecting this index to get to before the sells is at this zone. So I wouldn't be risking off the market with less conviction. So let me just wait patiently for the little move to the upside, for price pushing up a little bit for the sell. So I have to watch closely on what happens on the lower time frame. Let's just expect price to push up a little bit to test this OB level, which is also the neckline of this reversal pattern formation. When we delete this, we can see that we got a double bottom formation, a double top formation here. The first high is at this point and the second high is here. This is a nice double top formation. So if price can push up a little bit to come test that the neckline of this reversal pattern formation we got there, I'll be shorting this index from these points. I'll be shorting this index from this zone, which is the base of our order block level. All right, so let's watch out for what happens on this index. A little buy move for the sells expected. Long-term sales would say at least for price to come test this daily time frame bullish order block formation we got here, then the sells possibly to these points. All right, so the market is actually on a downtrend, and the sellers would be more favored on this market. Right, a little move to the upside for the sells expected on V100 index, and I would be having my entry here, and my SL would be above this structure, basically above these last highs. My SL would be somewhere here. I'll be having my SL here, which is very much reasonable on a lower time frame. My SL at this point, and my TP levels, I'll be having my first TP level at this point, at this zone. All right, my second TP level would be somewhere here, basically it would be somewhere here. Second TP level would be here, and my third TP level would be here. Would be having my fourth TP level on this other block zone, which is at this point. All right, so that's it, guys. That's our market analysis and view on V100 index. I'm bearish on this index, basically looking out for sell opportunities, but I'm waiting patiently for price to get to my sell point before I take the sells on this index. And if I'm to sell this index, I would as well give you guys an update on the trade. So that is, guys, that's my market analysis and market breakdown on volatility 100 index price action, basically. So hit the like button for market analysis like this, and drop a good comment on this video. You can as well comment on the next index you would want me to analyze. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging my videos. Actually means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have enough video.